new baby. I don't know. Berenstain Bears. A new baby. And one sunny dirt road on a bear country. They went in their house and working on bees, and brother was swimming in the water. And last morning we had pans. And what are we gonna do with my little bed? What are we gonna do with my little bed? Asked brother. What are we gonna do with my little bed? Hold it, and then little baby. Oh, Sister Bear. Oh, Sister Bear. That's Sister Bear. Sister Bear wasn't born yet. Close your eyes, Anna. Open them. Sister Bear. Mother Bear. Oh, Sister Bear. And then that morning, he didn't have pants or pins in his knees. He only had a sunshine ball.
Yay! Good job, buddy. Say thank you, Connor.
Hannah, do you want to read more Berenstain Bear books? Yeah. Berenstain Bear books. All right.